Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the spending limit on Instagram ads. Let's get started. Controlling your ad budget is crucial for managing your marketing campaigns effectively. Instagram allows you to set an account-wide spending limit, which is a hard cap on how much you can spend across all your ad activities. Here's how to adjust it using the mobile app. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account, specifically the one linked to your Meta Business Manager or ad account. Navigate to your profile by tapping your icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon, the hamburger icon, in the top right corner of your profile. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down. You are looking for the section related to your professional tools. This might be labeled as Creator Tools and Controls or Business. Tap on that option. Within this menu, you will find an option called Add Payments. Tap on it. This will take you to your payment settings. Here, you'll see a list of your payment method. Select the primary payment method you use for your ads. On the Payment Method Details page, you will see an option for Account Spending Limit. Tap on it. This screen will show your current limit. To change it, look for an Edit button, usually in the top right corner, or a button that says Change Limit. Tap that button. You can now enter a new spending limit. Type in the new maximum amount you are comfortable spending. Remember, this is a total limit, not a daily budget. Once you've entered the new amount, tap Save or Confirm. You may need to re-enter your password for security verification. After confirming, your new spending limit will be active immediately, and you will not be able to exceed this total amount across all your Instagram and Facebook ad campaigns. Managing your ad budget involves accessing sensitive financial accounts. To protect your business data and personal information whenever you're online, securing your connection is a smart step. For reliable protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.